Imagine this. You have worked hard for years, built an extraordinary profile, and finally, the dream comes true. Your EB1A green card is approved. You celebrate with your family, thinking the struggle is over. But one morning, a letter arrives from USCIS. Not congratulations, not your green card. It's a notice of intent to revoke. Everything you have worked for, everything you have planned for your family's future in America could be at risk. In this video, we are going to uncover the hidden side of EB1A, why USCIS is suddenly revoking cases, what's really happening behind closed doors, and how even approved petitions can be taken back. The promise of EB1A. For years, EB1A was seen as a golden ticket. Unlike H1B, there is no lottery. Unlike EB2 and EB3, there is no decades-long backlog for Indians. It rewards achievement, merit, and extraordinary ability. And unlike other green card paths, EB1A doesn't need an employer to sponsor you. But here's the shocking truth. Approval is not the end. The crackdown begins. In 2024 and 2025, USCIS started to take a closer look. Immigration attorneys began warning. Fraud and fake profile building in EB1A cases had caught USCIS eye. They started auditing petitions more closely. They sent out number of revocation notices, and even cases that had already been approved were in danger. The law behind the fear. In December 2024, the US Supreme Court made a major ruling, Bouarfa versus Mayorkas. The court said USCIS has broad power to revoke any approved visa if they find good and sufficient cause. And here's the worst part. If USCIS revokes your EB1A, you usually can't even fight it in court. The decision is almost final. That means even after approval, your case is never truly safe. The numbers don't lie. Now let's take a look what the data tells us. In the second quarter of 2025, EB1A approval rates were still decent, around 72.7%. But EB2 NIW, once thought to be easier, faced denial rates over 32%. That's actually worse than EB1A's denial rate of 27%. What does that mean? It means EB1A is still stronger compared to other options. But it also means USCIS is raising the bar, the revocation process. So how does it work if USCIS wants to take back your approval? Step 1. You get a notice of intent to revoke. This is basically USCIS saying, we are not convinced anymore. Step 2. You have about 30 days to respond, sometimes 33 mails if in the US. You must provide strong evidence, legal arguments, and explain why your case should stand. Step 3. USCIS decides. If they revoke, your dream is gone. Your green card process ends, and because of the Supreme Court ruling, your chances of appeal are slim. The human cost. Think about the families, people who already told their kids, we are staying here forever. People who invested their life savings into this process. And now, their plans can face unexpected challenges. Middle question. So let me ask you, do you think USCIS is right to be this strict? Do you believe genuine EB1A applicants who build their case honestly have nothing to worry about and that only fake or weak cases get revoked? Comment below yes or no. Let's know your thoughts on this. The hidden lesson. Here's what this really means for you. If you're planning EB1A, you can't afford to cut corners. No fake evidence, no exaggerated claims, no profile building shortcuts. USCIS is watching closely. And even if you get an approval, they can come back later. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more real stories and deep dives into the US immigration system. And if you want expert guidance to build your EB1A profile ethically, check out our Smart Green Card VIP plan. It gives you step-by-step support so you don't fall into the traps we just uncovered. Link in the description. See you in the next video.